Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to add age-verified delivery to your UK listings eBay for Business UK. If you're selling restricted items on eBay in the UK, like alcohol, knives, or other age-sensitive products, you're required to use age-verified delivery. This ensures that your item is only handed over to someone who meets the legal age requirement, protecting both you and the buyer. The issue is, many sellers either skip this step or don't know where to find it in the listing settings. Start by opening eBay and logging into your account. Click on My eBay. This takes you to your account dashboard. Inside My eBay, click on Selling. This opens your seller dashboard where you manage your listings. Go to Drafts. You can also use an active listing. Click on the item you want to edit. Scroll down until you find the shipping section. This is where you configure delivery options. Click on Add Primary Service. This allows you to choose your delivery method. In the search bar, type Age Verification. You'll now see a list of delivery options that include age verification. Choose one of the available options. Clarification. These services ensure the recipient must confirm their age upon delivery, and the courier verifies identity if required. After selecting the service, click Save. Once everything is set, review your listing and click List Item or Update. Your listing will now include age-verified delivery. Using eBay correctly ensures your listings meet legal requirements and build buyer trust. To summarize, adding age-verified delivery on eBay involves going to My eBay, opening your listing, navigating to the shipping section, adding a primary service, searching for age verification, selecting a service, and saving your changes. This ensures your items are delivered only to eligible recipients. And that's how to add age-verified delivery to your eBay listings in the UK. This isn't just a feature, it's a responsibility. If you're selling restricted items, skipping this step can lead to serious issues, including policy violations or even account restrictions. So don't treat it as optional, treat it as part of doing business properly. As you grow as a seller, understanding these small but important details will set you apart from others who overlook them. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.